last class, we discussed the 2 points. 2.1 it is called here. The birth of the Weimar Republic, and second it is called here the Treaty of the Versailles. We are the 2 topics we are discussing in the last class.
Sir, what was the peculiar features of Nazi thinking?
What is the peculiar
Thinking of Nazi thinking. Features of Nazi thinking.
that is the completely national part में आ जाती है ऐसा अभी नहीं आती
Sir, शॉर्ट में बता दो.
पॉलिसीज है डिफरेंट है वो डिक्टेटरशिप सिस्टम वो सब आ जाती है पेक्युलर सिस्टम ये नेवर फॉलो द डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम नेक्स्ट पॉइंट ओएस So in the last class, we have discussed that one is called a Weimar of 51, one is called a Weimar Republic, and Treaty of the Versailles. Treaty of the Versailles. Germany. Why we call here Weimar Republic? Why we call Weimar Republic? Why we call Weimar Republic? Yes, Maria. It is a minimum courtesy if you know the stand up and say the answer. Okay, sitting it is not good.
So, Weimar is the name of a place or a city, and
In Germany.
Germany.
Yes.
From Weimar
And one more point, very good. बहुत अच्छा किया.
Sir, in the year of
Next, Krish Yadav. Krish Yadav. Krish Yadav, stand up. The Maya said there is a city they call here the city name of in Germany. It is called the Weimar Republic after the Treaty of the Versailles. My question is that in Weimar Republic, what are there? People, they have very much importance of this city. What are there in Weimar Republic? Krish Yadav. Ishika Verma. Weimar Republic means the city name of the Germany. But in the Weimar Republic, people they're giving importance of this place. Why? What is the reason? Miguel, come forward here. तुम आप अभिषेक बघेल अभिषेक What? Ishika Verma, Krish Yadav. हाँ हाँ बोलो मास्क निकाल दो बता दो हाँ प्लीज अदर्स प्लीज कीप क्वाइट हाँ बोलो थोड़ा मास्क निकाल बता दो ना Without book, you tell me. Don't show the book and tell me answer. Yesterday I am explained to that one.
So can you repeat the question?
Tell me that one. What is there in Weimar? Weimar city means what is there? In Weimar Republic, why people call it Weimar? In Germany, there is a city. It is called a Weimar. From the Weimar,
There was parliament.
yes, in Weimar there is the parliament is there. German parliament is there. The German parliament, it is called a Reichstag. This one. Germany, the capital city is the Berlin, but the parliament, that is called a Reichstag, located in Weimar city.
German parliament.
So that's why it is called the people they call a Weimar Republic. Okay, that's called a Reichstag. In Russia, the parliament is located in Moscow. That it is called a Duma. Constitute Assembly.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, Reichstag means parliament.
Yes. In German they call a Reichstag or Parliament. Parliament का नाम है, that is called a Reichstag. So that is located in Weimar Republic. And why Madhya Pradesh, Jabalpur very famous?
For High Court.
Yes, one it is called a High Court. Second is called a Narmada River. Waterfalls is there in Jabalpur. Understand? Narmada River, waterfalls is there. That is Daulat Sagar. So that.
सागर का है गांधी सागर.
Okay, so like this only, they are famous of this Weimar Republic. But the Weimar Republic, that's called a parliament, they constructed after the First World War, the parliament. After that, they cannot survive of the German people. If the systematic democracy system is there, adult Francis system also is there, right to voting system is there, but in future the parliament not working properly.
Why sir?
Because the King Kaiser William, they put one treaty, they signed one treaty of the Versailles. In the Versailles, what are the points we have discussed yesterday? 75 of the territory is controlled by the 4 countries.
Yes, sir.
Jitna India, whatever the territory is there, for example in India, so India mein all the territories, main place occupied by the other countries, can you economically develop?
No, sir.
For example, India में coastal area में major ports is there, seaports is there, occupied by the or controlled by the some other countries. तो इंडिया में ग्लोबलाइजेशन स्टार्टेड, मोबाइल फोन में व्हाट्सएप डालने के लिए फायदा मिलेंगे भारत में, पूरा इकोनॉमिकली द जीरो. बिकॉज ऑफ इंडिया में ऑल इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दी कोस्टल एरियाज. इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट चल रहे आज, इतना फास्ट डेवलपमेंट चल रहे बिकॉज ऑफ द कोस्टल एरिया. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इज मूविंग, रेलवेज में ज्यादा पैसा लगती है, एयरपोर्ट में ज्यादा लगती है, बट बाय शिपिंग very cheaper, very cheaper price to move the goods coming one country to another country. So same situation, the Treaty of the Versailles. They are occupied whom? These 4 countries. One is called here France, UK, and Germany, sorry, USA and Russia. These four occupied the Germany territory places and population also. You know, population. The people moved to that country to work as the laborers. And next one, coal. Coal. And 26% they are used by the other countries. India mein jitna coals are there, that's why in Kargun also NTPC is there. Sir, in Kargun mein NTPC is there, but coal kahan se milte hai? Madhya Pradesh mein Singrauli district is the Rewa. Rewa mein their mines is there, from there only coming to that one. हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट के लिए यूज कर रही है, but if you are using by the some other people, can you set up this one? सतना, कटनी, सिंगरौली, रेवा, these are actually क्या है? Coal mines is there.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, Weimar Republic was formed before or after the war?
It was after First World War, the Treaty of the Versailles. ठीक है? The Versailles के बाद में Weimar Republic, the city was famed, parliament is located, but the Weimar Republic, they could not help to the German people because of the Treaty of the Versailles. Understand? And next one, page number 51 में another point is there. Effect of the war. The effect of the war. In 8th class in history, there is one topic is there. Come here. Yes, come here. Come here. Just come here. Yes. Come here. After my period, you stand up. ठीक है? In 8th class, there is history. Last topic is there. India after independence. India after independence. 1947, the India was completely economically very poor country. 1947. 47, India is a poor country. Why? Because of the British people, they could not establish any dams, industries, and any townships, nothing. But 1949, the Indian government started the constitution. According to the constitution, we are implementation that it is called a planning development mixed economy policy. You know, the Congress party at the time, Nehruji, they start to the industries, dams, employment, and green revolution. You know or not?
Yes,
So
yes.
gradually India was developed after 10 and 5 years planning. You know, that's called a Panchasila program. Now BJP government they have to start a Niti Ayog. Okay. Because of the any country they want to development is the economic development is required by the industrialization. But Treaty of the Versailles, Germany economically downfall. That is called the effect of the war. After independence, India was fast to develop. You know or not? Green revolution. And I asked Kisan, the Punjab farmers they are fighting to the government, and they have 50 days is going on. They are getting food, electricity, everything is available. And आज पंजाब में इतना पैसा कैसे कमा? How the people earn? Because of the green revolution. Whatever the steps are taken in India after independence, now the Punjab, Haryana, western part of Uttar Pradesh, there are very rich farmers in India. If you go to if you go to Haryana, even small village also, the farmer they are not wearing good dress. But घर में जाएंगे तो they have a 1-2 tractors, 3 shift vehicles, 4-wheeler. एक छोटा घर में देखते हैं भैया हो जाती है ना farmer, but they are coming white dress, है ना, देखने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है. पर घर देखेंगे तो Maruti, they are using only Maruti vehicle because of the Haryana. The plant is located in Gurgaon.
Yes, sir.
That's where vehicles are very cheaper. Transport also very cheaper because of the green revolution. So, but in Germany, it was developed after the Treaty of the Versailles. No. Economically, that is the first point is given to that one. The war had devastating impact of the right containment with the psychologically and financially. Due to the war, German people mentally they are disappointed and financially they are disappointed. And from the creditors, Europe turned into the one of the debtors. Unfortunately, infant Weimar Republic being made to pay sin of the whole empire. Generally, Europe continent, the European people, जितना पैसा चाहिए वो कितना पैसा दे सकती है ना? Anybody want? आपका पैसा चाहिए? Okay, we give you a loan. But after the first World War,
without interest.
Without interest they give. आप व्यापार करो. You want to do business? Okay, take the money. And later badly you are returned to that one. But after First World War, all European people do not have the money because of the war. It is not 1 day and 2 days. How many years the war is there? 4 years. Sir, in the 4 years, Indian people are involved in the First World War. Yes. Indian people also involved in the First World War. And when the war is over, Mahatma Gandhi they start the freedom movement. Okay? Generally, war is beneficial for the country, but in the First World War, there are so many economical problems of the Germany. They have go to any places for taking the loan. Nobody help to the Germany. Why? Germany is 75% of the occupied by the European people. Okay? So no European people ready to give the loan to the Germany. Anybody asked to that one? आपका पास घर है? Yes sir. पर किसका पास है? वो बोला था Germany people उस साथ दूसरा कंट्री कब्जा कर दिया. So you could not get the loan. These pathetic conditions are there in you stand up. उधर चलो. उसमें इधर बैठो. Yes. इधर बैठो ना. बुक जरूर नहीं है. तुम बात करते ना जरूर क्यों बुक चाहिए? हाँ इधर बैठो. थोड़ा सा चेयर का आगे बढ़ाएंगे. कोई नहीं है बैठो प्लीज. हाँ पीछे कर दो. आराम से. Okay. What paragraph I am discussing? What is the page number? Can you tell me that one?
Page number 50.
हाँ नहीं है. Your name is Bhaiya. बोलो. हाँ? Page number 53 I am discussing. Krishna Mahajan, what is the paragraph we are discussing? Yes, very good. Page number 52, second paragraph we are discussing to that one. The Republic carried the burden of the war in national humiliation was financially crippled by the forced by the compensation. When the Weimar Republic was set up in Germany, it helped to the German people. But the financial, yes. In Europe continent, generally, Europe continent, there is the Christianity is there. in the Christianity, two groups are there. One it is called a Protestant, and second it is called a Catholic. Our principals are, and VP ma'am, there are belongs to the Catholics, and some of the people are there in Kargun also. Some of the churches is there. There is no father. There is no churches. They have only some a chapel. Matlab they call it pastors. Matlab they are civil uniform. They are married. So that people it is called a Protestant people. But they are worship to God. But their system is different. But our principles are, and there are go to the churches every day, every Sunday, and there is one of the father is they teach to, they give the message to that, but they are not married. Okay? They are living in separate. So that's why that is called a Catholics and Protestant. They are not married. Even and they are not married. They are unmarried, and they worship to the God. They have a separate houses also is there, that is called nuns. Yeah, ladies is called a nun. They are wearing a white dress. Separate. So in St. Mary, St. Dominic schools is there na? Okay. Stand up. Who are the Catholics? Tell me. Who are the Catholics? देखो तुम इसका पास बेटे के दो है ना is a very good boy is a very good boy ठीक है that guy is a very good guy ठीक है they are all people are getting the examination their examination very good marks at least 10 in the 10 they are getting 5 marks 2 marks 6 7 8 marks but if you are sitting with him then in examination you can get 1 to 4 marks
1 or 2 marks.
he is always disturbing to somebody else
Minus 10 marks. Yes, sir. May I tell them, sir?
ठीक है yes
Sir, who was Catholic?
बोला था ना in Christianity 2 groups are there
I am telling them.
तो लगा तो व्हाइट हो जाएगा क्या प्रॉब्लम है हाँ यस प्लीज हाँ बोलो ए बादल हाँ मैरिया जी बोलो Catholic and Protestant.
Father and sister.
Yes. There are nuns. Yes, nuns. Yes, they actually call here nuns. Father and sister, they call to that one nuns. They are Christian. That's called a Catholic school. Okay. Okay. Next one. And but there is another word is there. Proper criminals. Proper criminals.
Yes, sir. ये बताओ मम्मा.
Sir. देखो. Protestant mean that please boys. Please. Protestant means that these people they are worship only Jesus Christ. They are not worship to the Jesus Christ followers and their mother. But in Catholic people, they worship to the Jesus Christ, their mother, their followers also. ठीक है? That's why every school, their names call here Saint Paul's, Saint Joseph. These mean the saint. मतलब these all are the Christian followers. That's why Saint Paul is the follower of the Jesus Christ. ठीक है? Jesus Christ का follower है. One of these he is also like a God. but in Protestant people, they are not give the names. They are called it simply, you know. Yes, they are whatever the name needed, but they are not followed to the followers.
Yes, sir.
That's why it is called a Protestant people. They are worship to the only Jesus Christ. Catholic people are worship to the.
Both of them.
Okay. Who are the November criminals? Yes. Who are the November criminals?
Sir, Catholics who supported the Weimar Republic are the November criminals.
Generally, boys, in Weimar Republic, what the Weimar Republic is established, there are some of the group of the people to follow to encourage to the Weimar Republic. In Germany, some group of people is there. That is called a Catholic, Socialist people, Democratic people to follow to the Weimar Republic. So that's why it is called a November criminals.
Sir, why they are called criminals?
And why they? Because of the Catholic people, Democratic people, Socialist people, they are interested to the, they like to the Weimar Republic system.
So they are called criminals.
But some people speak not German.
कितने कमाल का है?
Some people is there, they are not favor to the Weimar Republic. Who are favor to the Weimar Republic, this called a November criminal.
Sir, why they are called November?
Sir, why their name come to the November? Because Versailles Treaty, the Treaty of the Versailles, which was held in November season, November month.
So they are called November.
That's where they call it November criminal.
सर बहुत बच्चे कर रहे हैं चल दस चल
Harshit, get up my class. चलो बाहर चलो. Please. Harshit, उधर से.
ऐसे ही पॉज कर दूं
And yes, come here. Here you go. Please come Aryan ji, class में. Okay, Maria, what is it now?
So can you please repeat my
देखो.
सर
Who are the November criminal? In 1919, there is a Weimar Republic is there. When the Weimar Republic, some groups of people also is there. Some group people mean that one criminal, Catholic, Democratic, Socialist people, they prefer to the Weimar Republic system. So non-group of the people, they call a November criminal. In the Treaty of the Versailles, actually they start in 1919 in November. So that's why they call a November criminal.
Sir, in reality they are not criminals.
They are not criminal. But non-German people, they call like this. They are November criminal. Always refer to the Weimar Republic system. But Weimar Republic, it is not help to the any German people.
So they are called criminals.
Sir, why didn't some people follow Weimar?
देखो,
Yes.
if any government is there, what the people think,
अच्छी गंदी
we need a good. But the Weimar Republic, it is not help to the Germany economic system. So that's why non-German people, they are not preferred to the Weimar Republic system.
But the people who want the Weimar Republic, they are called as November criminals.
सर जर्मनी में तो रशियन पीपल
earlier some of the governments is there, but the government not encouraging that much of the ideas. But once the Hitler comes, they giving very good speech about the economical, and he promised to that one, once you are joining as a Amara party, in our party, you will get a good opportunities. So definitely people favor to the favor to the German Workers Party. Okay. Why today most of the people prefer to the BJP? Because of Modi ji, Amit Shah, they said always, I will provide to the Vikas. That's for development. Yes, boys, I am also shocked to that one. In Uttara Bharat, the development is very low, but if you see today the economical status, in every area, vast development of the railway network and foreign affairs, India mein, and education system and industrial system, there are so many changes. In Congress party, they done, but it's time taking. Understand? Okay, next point. The First World War, second point is that the First World War left a deep imprint of the European society. Polity, soldier came to place above the civilian. And one more point is that what about the army people? Once the army people, after the First World War, they are back to their home, their expectation, they expect we can get a good society, good honor in the society. But all the soldiers could not get any jobs after the First World War in Germany, and they work as a laborers. You know, the most of the ex-servicemen in India, after the defense, they get the jobs. But in Germany, most of the army people, they could not jobs. They work as a laborers, and sometimes they have to live as a empty stomach. Very pathetic condition of this First World War. 5 minutes is the king. The politicians, publicists, the great stress on the need for the aggressive, strong and masculine. The media glorified trench life. The truth, however, the soldiers have miserable lives in the trenches, trapped in the feeding of the crops. They face the poisonous gas, enemy shelling, witness their ranks were reduced rapidly, aggressive war propaganda, national honor occupied under the stage, public space, while the popular support brought to the conservatives, dictatorship had to be recently came to the being. Democracy was indeed an fragile idea which could not be surveyed instability of the interwar era. So, in Germany, army people conditions are very poor. After the war, they think that we are getting good position, but the reversal system is there because they prefer to the democracy system. If you are following the democracy system, it not help to recover to the economic of the Germany.
Sir, after the war, in Germany there was a democratic system.
वीडियो कॉल बंद करें।
डेमोक्रेसी सिस्टम में